welcome to Dollar Tree. We are here doing our Wednesday couponing, and of course our budget is $5, but we want to try and get some freebies and some cheapies today. So just come on with me and let's see what we can do. New chips, tiaras or fires. Let's see what those are. Get those taken out. All of the Halloween stuff, putting up Christmas stuff. So they have moved all of the Halloween stuff to 1 hour and put up Christmas stuff. Fantastic. Okay. So we're going to go down here and look at the crafting now. So people been crafting like crazy. Now I have a green one. I don't know if I have a red one. I like the shape of this. I'm going to do some portion stuff today. So let's go back this way and see exactly what they got going on. Like all the paints we cleared out. I love to see that because that tells me that people are actually doing a lot of DIY and things on their own instead of buying. So let's get back here and see what they got, guys. So I was looking for their pretzel bites, but I see they don't have any. They do have a new refrigerator, but I don't see any pretzel bites whatsoever in here. So I was going to get some free pretzel bites, but I guess they don't have them. And they do not. Like I even thought those are not it. Nope. And sometimes you got to look to the back. And I didn't see them up in there either. There's our free popsicles that we got all summer. No pretzel bites. Okay, I'm going to grab 4 bags of these General Mills Cinnamon Toast Crunch and use 4 of those dollar coupons. I'll show you in a minute. And this is the coupon that goes with the General Mills. It's $1 off of 1. Now it does say box, but it works. It says any cereal, so this is it. Oh, see, they got bread today. They got Sara Lee, which I got to grab one of those. They got bagels. Oh, these are so good. The mini crescent roll plains. My kids like those. Okay, and then here are the bacon rolls. They love those too. Okay. They got English muffins. They got the Italian bread that's delicious. Okay. So, oh, and then they have these right here. Those sandwich thins by Brownberry. I like those also. Those are delicious. If you all like lemon splash water, this is good. I tried it. I really liked it. I thought that was real good. So that lemon splash water, it's good, guys. That Fiji coupon work on this right here. Yes, it does, and I have 2 of them. Okay, here's all the sanitizers. These, I told you that $1 off coupon work on these. I didn't bring it with me though. But that coupon does work. And there's the haul right here. I'm going to grab a bag of these and a bag of yellow. That $1 coupon work for these. Okay, here is the U's. Those U's worked for me one time, but they beat the second time. So that's why I'm not going to tell you to try this right here. Okay, so we're here for the travel toothbrushes, which it looked like they are starting to replace with a different toothbrush. They must cut. So here they are. I'm gonna grab 6 of them because I brought 6 coupons with me. And this is the coupon that goes with this. It needs to say travel voyage on there, okay? Okay, this coupon does work with this COVID, okay? It does not beat. So grab these. I'm gonna grab 3 of these. So I've been keeping an eye out over here because the what is that? Well, there's Suave. The Palmer's was working over here. Okay, that's why I was getting it. But I did not, they have not had any. Even the body washes. So try to keep an eye out, guys. And if you see any, let me know. And here's the other Advils that the Advil coupon worked on also. Those coupons, watch it because they expire and or they last a long time. So just be careful and be looking out for the good coupons. Let's see. Okay, and the last coupon came over here and got, I was looking for the kids Suave shampoo, which I don't see it. It's White Rain and all that, but I don't think that's Suave kids. Is this by Suave? I can't see, guys. So if it is, I missed that one. Let me see. The men's Suave. The men's Suave shampoo is a hair shampoo. Oh, there it is. It's only one. See? Men extra fresh shampoo. That dollar coupon works on these. It'll just adjust it down to $1. That's all it'll do. And it's only one. No, where's two more? Here's another one. But it has to say men's. So this is the only men's one they got. The rest of them don't say men's. Nope. So I'm only getting one. Let me make sure ain't nothing behind there. Nope. Ain't none. That's it. And this is the coupon for the Suave men. Okay? There it is right there. Okay. This is new. This liquid hand soap. Lavender. That's new. I'm going to try this today because I heard that it was pretty good. So I'm going to try that. I'm trying to go down, yeah, to make sure I didn't miss anything before I come up out of here. Because I'm going to be really... Oh, there it is. There's the Jergens. That Jergens $2 coupon work on these. And I have two with me. So I'm going to grab two of these. There it is. That was a good find. That was a good find. So, guys, see the spick and span bottles getting bigger? They were little. They done got these bottles. These bottles getting bigger up in here. Look at that. That's a big spick and span. And it's antibacterial. Make sure when that coupon come back out, you grab it because it does work and it is antibacterial. And grab it. What else was in here that was antibacterial besides the Dawn and some of the Palmolive? This would feel like lotion. Let me see. I need a little green one. Okay. So they kind of stopped. This is not worth it. Don't even waste your time on it unless you like traveling and you need this. Look how little that is. Like, it's short. We had some new storage bowls up here. Oh, here it is. Remember the Rubbermaid? Here they are again. Take along. They were free. So when they bring back out Rubbermaid coupons, go over here and check. Also, when they bring out Betty Crocker, go check. Because look at that. There's a Betty Crocker. I always get those for free up in here. So, guys, you know when the next coupon come out, I'll let you know, right? It's in here. Let's see. Oh, look at those little steel bowls. I like them. What? That's pretty. And it's got like a gold steel. And this is like a shiny steel. I can't get it up, and last time I lifted it up, guys, it all fell. So I ain't gonna do it. But here's another one. Oh, I can do some good DIYs with this. I bet you I can. Because you can cut these things. Okay, let's go check out. Now let's hope that the Fiji coupons don't beep, but they are for the 500 milliliters on. The dollar store have them. Go grab them, grab them, grab them. Guys, we are home with our haul from Dollar Tree. Coupons came out perfect. Some of the stuff I misquoted. I do have the coupons for them though, guys. I kept my promise like I said I would. So let's see what we got. Now this coupon was actually 50 cents. It is the 500 milliliters, so these were 50 cents a piece. And this is the newspaper that it came out of, the insert. This week's Smart Source, and there it is for 50 cents. And there's the 500 milliliter or larger. Fiji, that's some good water. Go grab it. I have a couple more of those coupons. I'm going to go and grab that. Okay. The Jergens. The Jergens, guys, was $2. They adjusted down to $1. You do not get that whole thing. See, that coupon is something good. You saw me grab that Jergens. Grab it, grab it, grab it, and go in there and get some free lotion. That is a good coupon. So those were $1. Okay. Now, free. These were free. Okay. This is also the insert that it came out of, right here with the Jergens on it. And this is the coupon that I used. Very good deal. Nothing beat. Nothing at all. Nothing beat. Okay. So I showed you those coupons. You already know these, the General Meal coupons. That was $1, been floating around for the longest. They end on the 24th. I do not have the insert because I chopped it all up. Okay, this one, let me get this one, where this one came from. Okay, here you go. Right here, those coupons end on the 17th. Both of those give you free toothpaste, free toothbrushes. Stack up, guys, for Christmas. And this is the newspaper that it came out of, okay? I don't know the date on this. Too small for me to read. Your girl eyes is terrible, okay, guys? Let's see. What else do we have? Let's see. Okay. And this right here, remember, it has to say men's extra fresh shampoo. That $1.50 coupon adjusts down to $1. So free, that's 3 free, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 free items, okay? Now, let me tell you what I got. Oh, one drop behind the freezer. This was at the front desk. When the register, when you check out, it was there, guys, for $1. They limited it to 4 cans, so I grabbed 4 of these. It's disinfectant, kills flu, viruses, 99% of germs. I don't have to have a name brand disinfectant spray in order to use it. Now, you remember I grabbed this because this is a new essential from Arm & Hammer. We'll see how it works. You saw me pick these up. My kiddios eat hot chips. Of course, the Sara Lee is always necessary. And these mason jars are going to be some DIY projects. These are also going to be DIY projects. And so will these two right here be DIYs. And this is actually part of it too. So, everything came off, guys. The reason why you don't see a receipt is because my 10-year-old decided that he would download Fetch. It's really hilarious. He downloaded Fetch. He saw me stacking my stuff up, laid my receipt down. He came in, got it, downloaded, scanned the Fetch, got my points off of it, and threw it in the garbage. I didn't mind him doing that, but when I tried to get it out, it was full of grease off fries that I cooked. So that's why you don't see it. But select minus the 15. I paid about, so that was $1. That was 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, $16 out, $17 out of pocket for all of this. Plus we got 15 freebies. You cannot beat this. Go grab these deals at Dollar Tree, because this is how you get your free stockpile, and this is a free stockpile. Free stockpile and free care packages for Christmas. Quit buying gifts. Get them something they need. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. Hit like and subscribe to Ivy's Coupon Count. Name change coming up, guys. Just keep listening for it. Bye.